Most people think confidence is something you either have or you don't, that you're born confident or you fake it and hope no one notices. But neuroscience tells a very different story. Confidence isn't a personality trait. It's a biological state. It's built through specific signals sent between your brain and nervous system. Signals that shape how you think, how you move, and how you respond to pressure. And here's the key insight. Unshakable confidence isn't loud, it isn't arrogant, and it isn't based on external approval. It's internal stability, the feeling that you can handle whatever happens next. Today, you'll learn science-backed ways to build real, unshakable confidence. Not by pretending, but by rewiring how your brain interprets stress, effort, and self-trust. If you apply even a few of these consistently, confidence stops feeling like an act and starts feeling like your natural state. Let's begin. The biggest myth about confidence is that it starts in the mind. It doesn't. Neuroscience shows confidence is built bottom up, not top down. Your brain doesn't say, "I'm confident, so I'll act." It says, "I acted, therefore I must be capable." Every time you take action, even small, uncomfortable action, your brain releases dopamine linked to competence, not pleasure. That creates a feedback loop. Action to evidence, evidence to belief, belief to confidence. Waiting to feel confident before acting keeps you stuck. Acting before you feel ready trains your brain to trust you. Confidence grows from proof, not affirmations. Confidence collapses when your nervous system is dysregulated. A calm mind cannot exist in a stressed body. When you're anxious, your heart rate increases, your breathing shortens, your muscles tighten, your brain shifts into threat mode. In that state, confidence is biologically impossible. This is why confident people look calm, not because they don't feel fear, but because they can downshift their nervous system. To train this, slow your breathing, relax your shoulders, extend your exhales, ground your posture. When your body feels safe, your brain stops scanning for danger, and confidence naturally returns. Confidence isn't thinking harder, it's calming deeper. This is one of the most powerful and most overlooked confidence builders. Your brain tracks self-trust. Every time you say you'll do something and don't, your brain records it. Every broken promise sends a signal. I can't rely on myself. And over time, that erodes confidence at the identity level. Unshakable confidence comes from micro-integrity. Doing what you said you'd do, even when no one is watching, especially when it's uncomfortable. Start small. Wake up when you say you will, finish what you start. Follow through on tiny commitments. Each kept promise strengthens your self-trust circuitry. Confidence isn't built in big moments. It's built in quiet follow-through. Your brain grows through challenge, not comfort. Neuroscience calls this stress inoculation. When you voluntarily step into manageable discomfort, your brain learns, I survived this. Fear circuits weaken. Confidence circuits strengthen. This can look like speaking when you'd normally stay quiet, trying something you might fail at, sitting with discomfort instead of escaping it, doing the hard thing without an audience. Avoidance trains fear. Exposure trains confidence. Each time you face discomfort and remain standing, your brain updates its model of you. This person can handle pressure. That belief becomes confidence. Your brain listens closely to how you speak to yourself. But confidence doesn't come from fake positivity. It comes from accurate self-talk. Instead of, I can't do this, shift to, I don't know how yet. Instead of, I always fail, shift to, I'm learning through repetition. This subtle language shift matters. Your brain resists lies, but it accepts constructive accuracy. You're not lying to yourself. You're reframing reality in a way that keeps your nervous system engaged, not overwhelmed. Confident people don't say, I'm perfect. They say, I can adapt. Your posture doesn't just affect how others see you, it affects how your brain sees you. Slouched posture sends signals of submission and threat. Upright posture signals stability and control. When you stand tall, keep your chin level, relax your shoulders, move deliberately, your brain receives feedback. I am safe, I am capable. This changes hormone levels, breathing patterns, and emotional tone. Confidence is partly embodied. You don't wait to feel confident to stand confidently. You stand confidently to teach your brain who you are. Shaky confidence depends on results. Unshakable confidence depends on process. When your confidence rises and falls with success or failure, it's fragile. But when confidence is rooted in effort, integrity, growth, showing up fully, it becomes stable. Neuroscience shows that people who tie identity to outcomes experience higher anxiety and lower resilience. Those who tie identity to effort feel calmer, stronger, and more consistent. You don't need to win to feel confident. You need to know, I showed up honestly. That certainty doesn't shake. The more you depend on external approval, the weaker your confidence becomes. Why? Because your brain learns, my worth comes from outside me. Every like, every compliment, every reassurance. Unshakable confidence is built when validation becomes optional, not necessary. This doesn't mean isolation, it means internal grounding. Ask yourself, would I still do this if no one noticed? When the answer becomes yes, your confidence becomes self-sustaining. The strongest confidence is quiet because it doesn't need permission. Unshakable confidence isn't loud, it isn't aggressive, and it isn't about proving anything. It's calm self-trust, built through action, regulation, integrity, and growth. When your brain learns that, you keep your word, you can handle discomfort, you regulate pressure, you act with intention. Confidence stops being something you chase and becomes something you stand on. If you want more psychology and neuroscience-based videos that strengthen your mind from the inside out, make sure to subscribe to Mind Gym. Your mind is a muscle, and confidence is trained. Let's keep building it.